In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily decrease the leverage of an opened position on Bybit. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bybit, make sure to go down to the video description, click on the first link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses. As you can see, I'm using the demo trading mode right here. If you want to use it too to try out the platform, you can simply get there by going up here to Tools and then click on Demo Trading. If you sign up with the link down from the video description, you will also get immediately $50,000 of demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. So as you can see, I'm currently in this $20,000 long position with a 10x leverage. And if I want to decrease the leverage, I can easily do that by simply going up here to the leverage, and then I can change up the leverage. For example, I want to set it back to a 5x leverage. So from 10 to 5x leverage. What that does is it reduces this multiplier down to 5x. The position size will be kept the same. But what it will also do is it will increase the margin. Currently it sits at 2,000 because 2,000 times 10 equals 20,000. If we decrease this to a 5 and this wants to stay the same, of course we need to increase our margin. So it needs to go from 2,000 to 4,000 because then 4,000 times 5 will still equal 20,000. And to do that, we need, of course, an additional $2,000 of margin that can be pulled. So you need to have at least $2,000 of available balance right here that can be pulled into this trade. If I don't have that in here, that wouldn't be possible. In this case, I do. So I can show you how it works. I can go in here and put this to a 5x leverage, click on confirm, and you will see now here we have the $4,000 as I mentioned, times now the 5x leverage, you can see it's reduced right here, equals the $20,000 position size, which is kept the same. So that's how it works if you want to decrease your leverage. Of course, make sure you have enough capital left. If you don't, you cannot do it. You basically only have two options. Either you need to deposit more money into your available balance right here that can then be pulled as margin, as I've shown you. Or the second option would be to close parts of your trade and therefore reduce the position size. You can see it sits at $20,000. So of course, what I could do is click on market and close half of the position. Then I would reduce this here to 10,000. And now, of course, I also need less margin in here to be able to reduce the leverage. So that can be a second option. If you don't have any capital left in here and you don't want to deposit more, you need to close some parts of your position to still be able to reduce the leverage. Make sure to create your account on Bybit by using the link down from the video description to get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.